Advertising on classified adverts offers many benefits for home streaming services. These ads are given top priority and appear right on the platform's homepage, making them one of the first things users see. This high visibility helps you attract more viewers to your service. By using both images and videos in your ads, you can create a more engaging and appealing experience, making it easier to showcase your streaming content to potential customers. Each ad includes a direct link to your streaming platform, allowing users to quickly access your service and start watching. By adding hashtags, keywords, and clear descriptions, you can ensure that your ads reach the right audience, people who are specifically interested in home streaming. In summary, advertising on classified adverts helps you grab the attention of users right from the homepage, effectively showcase your streaming content, and make it simple for users to start watching. This platform can significantly boost your marketing efforts and help your streaming service grow. So now let's dive into the tutorial that how to publish home streaming ads on this platform. First of all, log into your account and open Dashboard where you can see lot of options available there. Click on Home Streaming Ads from the left menu and then click on Upload. You will be able to see your form like that. First of all, you have to add a suitable title for your ad. Moving next, you have to set URL on which you want to redirect user. After that, you have to select a suitable ad category from the drop-down menu in which your ad will shows up. Moving down, you have to set hashtags for your ad on which basis ranking of ads will take place. And at last, you have to upload suitable media, including image and video from here. Now as per my requirement, I had filled the form and now I'm ready to hit the Publish button. Once I hit the Publish button, after some processing, I will be notified that your ad is published successfully over here. Now let's move to the front end that how our ad looks like. In the selected category section, you will be able to see my published ad over here, and when someone clicks on this ad, he will be able to watch my video which I uploads while publishing ad, and when user clicks on that Visit Advertiser button, he will be redirected to the URL which I inputs over there while publishing ad. That's all how home streaming ads work on this platform. Thanks for watching video.